open.
Is it? Oh, Santa must have taped that one good, huh?
New juice boxes.
New juice boxes?
I think. No, new candy.
Mm-hmm. What kind?
That's not there. Golden Princess says, "Ha! I didn't see that coming."
You didn't see that coming?
I don't see that coming up. Of course I saw those on TV. Of course I saw those.
Yeah.
Is that her? It's already opened.
Yeah, because you just opened it while you were flipping it around.
See how easy it opens?
Well, it has plastic where I can open it myself. Wow, that's cool. Whoa, first I start around.
Yeah, I'm only at 1 minute. I've been breaking.
One.
Don't hit it, just poke it with your finger.
It's connected to the other plastic too, babe. If you keep going with the plastic you were already doing. You want me to open it?
Okay, I can do this.
See?
Whoa, that's cool. Oh wait, now it's opening this present.
Alright. What do you think's in there?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
I need a scratch again.
Okay.
I can't take the tab paper.
It's okay.
Turn it around and see what it is.
It's a play set.
What kind of playset?
It's not from Thumbelina.
It is Thumbelina.
It is from Thumbelina.
What does she have in there?
She has her dog, and she has a helmet, and her glasses, and her phone, and her computer. And she has Thumbelina, and her bike, and her tricycle, and her hat.
And a human?
Mm-hmm. Told you that.
I know you told me that.
And her sunglasses.
You like that? Good job. Do you like that?
I thought I couldn't do it.